Hi guys, thanks for joining me today. Today I am going to be unboxing the Live the Dream planner and giving kind of my first impressions. So I guess let's just get started. This was packaged really beautifully. As you can already tell, it is kind of got this hard cover and it is on the disc bound system. And it has this band to keep it all closed right here. It has these really pretty little metal brackets on the corners here. This, it comes in two colors. It comes in this one with the copper, and then it comes in like this color, this font color right here, like that teal blue and gold with like all the accents being gold. And then this was also in the package. This is all the tabs and dividers, I believe. So let me get this box out of the way. Okay, so let's open up this. It's very sticky. Okay, so yeah, these are our tabs. It says goals. One thing I do really like about this is it has like this, it has this massive tab on the end that is the same length as the other ones. So it just marks a really big section for you. I think that's really, really cool. Let's get into this. Plan your way to live your dreams. And then you have 2020 year at a glance and 2021 at a glance. This is actually 6 months. This is 6 months of the planner, and then you can buy the other 6 months of the planner and put it all on the discs. I don't think all 12 months fit on these discs. These are plastic discs, I believe, but she does have the aluminum discs as an option. I know that for sure. These are your contacts. This is other contacts, name, phone number, email, address, all that good stuff. This planner is really goal oriented. It says live your dream, goals, areas of my life, relationship, personal growth, and then you have notebook here. So a lot of guided journaling in the beginning of this. It says goal manifestations, my circle of life. You put your you break yourself down into quarters, your goals, how you achieve that, your tasks, and things like that. And then here is more guided journaling for your goals, how and when. The paper of this feels really, really nice and really, really soft. And it kind of alternates between these two colors, this really pretty like dark pink and that really pretty like mint. Anyway, this is a vision board area. It has a nice little skyline down here. And this is a yearly tracker. So you can track all of your habits in one place, or your goals, anything that you track, you can track it here and see it all at once. So that's really cool. You have the months up here and you have the dates down here. Then you have 4 columns in each month. And then you have another one. So you have 2. So this is where our tabs would go. I'm just gonna pop one in. This is, because it's on the tab, it is glossy. Definitely recommend writing on this with the Sharpie. And I believe she actually includes one now. I think she actually includes one with your purchase, or there's an option to get one, something like that on there. So this is your basic monthly. It is undated. It is a Monday start. And then this is regular paper. So you have your undated, and then you have a nice little list area here. And then this is your monthly dashboard. You have goals, major tasks for the month, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4 activities. So I really like that breakdown. And then this is your bucket list for the month. There's also week 5 over here. And then you have a little quote here that says, consistency is a way to perfection. Consistency is a way to perfection. And then this is like, I would assume a habit tracker of some kind. Or no, wait. Yeah, it spreads over here. Okay, I didn't even see that. Yeah, you have all of the days of the month over here, and then you can kind of do whatever tasks or habits or anything like that you're doing daily and kind of see it. And then this is your monthly monitor, all of the days of the week. This is like a little budget section here. And then you have plan, prep, execute for projects. And then you have a little me time section. And this is your weekly dashboard. So you have a Monday start also, and then you have like 2 little boxes here for each day of the week, and then a little lined area. You have a bills to pay, section money monitoring, and then another little section for your budgeting. You have a shopping list, count your blessings. You have this cute little area just to write like something you're grateful for every day and give thanks. And then this is your actual weekly spread. So you have a monthly view, a monthly dashboard, a weekly dashboard, and then a weekly spread. So it's just to really help you break down and see everything visually that you want to accomplish and everything like that. So for your weekly spread, you have Monday the blank, and you would fill in the date here, thoughts for the day, top 3, breakfast, lunch, dinner for your meals, do all the things, fitness, cleaning, remember appointments. And so that would be your Monday, and then it goes on and on like this. And later in the week, after Friday, but before Saturday and Sunday, you have this little weekend area for morning, afternoon, evenings right there. And then you get a new weekly dashboard for the following week. And then it just continues until you get to the next month. And then you put in your tab. And then at the end of each month, you have this really nice big notes section. And then also on the tab for the next month, and you have this mood page, so you can decorate it with stickers, pictures. You can even write on this, like I said, with one of those ultra fine Sharpies. So I think that's really kind of cool. It alternates to this color, this pink color, and then it goes down. The same breakdown of the monthly view, the monthly dashboard, the weekly dashboard, and then the weekly spread. And then back here, you have a budgeting section. It kind of gives you some little prompts. Are you budgeting your expenses weekly or monthly? How often do you spend as planned? Are you working towards a financial goal? And then what is stopping you from reaching question number 1? That type of thing. And then you have budget, me time to do, Q1 goals and goals. And then you have Q1, which would be like January, February, March. Target and actual and notes, fixed monthly expenses, variable monthly expenses, savings, credit cards, balance, paid, and then for each one of these. And then for Q2, progress, and then you get those same guided pages to kind of help you figure out and help you save or get better at budgeting. And then you have these same pages for Q2. Q3 and 4 are in the other 6 months of the planner. Let's look at these tabs. These are what all the tabs look like. You have a nice little design down here at the bottom and this really pretty quote. They say different ones each month. And then you have quarterly progress and budget, and then goals. I do love that it's on the disc system because I do really actually like the disc system. I use it a lot. A lot of my planners this past year have been on the disc bound system. So that's really, really cool. So now that we have that one in, now I'm going to put all the tabs in and show you what it looks like when it is all tabbed out. This is what it looks like once all the tabs have been put into place. Very cute. So again, this is the Live the Dream Planner. All the info will be in the description down below for you guys to go check this out. She is very, very sweet, and she has a few videos on her Instagram of the breakdown of the planner and why she included all of the stuff she included, so you guys can get a little insight from her over there. This is definitely for someone who is very goal-oriented. You know, if you're that type of person who really likes to see the breakdowns of everything on paper, you know, this could totally be right up your alley. that is the Live the Dream Planner. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.